A taste of the Mediterranean. This Mediterranean quinoa salad is so delicious. It's fresh, it's healthy, it's perfect for a light meal or side dish. Imagine, sun-kissed vegetables, fluffy quinoa, and a bright lemony dressing. You'll feel like you're on vacation. This salad is so versatile you can enjoy it any time of year. It's great for potlucks, picnics, or a simple lunch. I love serving this salad with grilled chicken or fish. It's also delicious with warm pita bread. Let's gather our ingredients. For the salad, you'll need cooked quinoa, chopped cucumber, halved cherry tomatoes, crumbled feta cheese, sliced red onion, chopped fresh parsley, pitted and halved Kalamata olives, and a pinch of salt and pepper. For the dressing, we'll use extra virgin olive oil, freshly squeezed lemon juice, Dijon mustard, minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Start by cooking the quinoa according to the package directions. Spread it out on a baking sheet to cool completely. While the quinoa cools, make the dressing. Whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, minced garlic, salt and pepper. In a large bowl, combine the cooled quinoa, chopped cucumber, cherry tomatoes, feta cheese, red onion, parsley and Kalamata olives. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss gently to combine. Before serving, let the salad chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. This salad is a dream to serve. It's so colorful and inviting. You can add a sprinkle of extra feta cheese and a sprig of parsley for garnish. To store, keep the salad in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. It's perfect for meal prepping. You can pack it for lunch or have it ready for a quick and easy dinner. Enjoy!